what's up? It's ooh, did I get your finger?
Yeah. I tried to play it off like you did it, but you did.
It felt like my nails sliced something. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Franny, and I'm back with Neza.
Hi.
She's back from Miami. She was gone for a month.
It's literally went by like this. It's so weird.
Really? Because not
so
for me.
I know. Freddie was calling me at 1 a.m. my time.
So, Nez, are you coming back anytime soon?
Like every day.
I mean, for her, it felt like just a snap of a finger, but for me, she's also working, so she, you know.
It went by so fast.
Yes. Anyways, today's video is, you know, a normal, usual Nez and Fran video, because, you know, it can never go right.
And it always involves cooking.
Something cooking, or like DIY. DIY cooking, but we haven't done a DIY in a while. We might do that next. But basically today's video, we will be following a very simple cooking recipe tutorial. I'm not gonna be playing it while we're doing the video because there's a lot going on and I think it's just gonna be confusing with a bunch of people talking and then me and Neza trying to talk. So the video we are going to be using is Harrison and Anderson's cooking video. So basically Anderson is trying to follow Harrison cook because Harrison's like a chef.
Yeah,
cooks
had
like
no idea.
5-star meals, like it's insane. I don't know if this is his recipe or he got this recipe from somewhere, but we are making a chocolate mousse. Okay, that sounds very easy. And
there's only how many ingredients? 4. There's 4. If we mess this up, we're never doing these videos again
this is why we're doing an easy one.
Yes.
And then we'll go more complex.
Yes.
Nez and I aren't good at these things, so we didn't want to go too crazy. I will leave their video linked down below if y'all want to go ahead and try and follow it as well.
It's so funny.
It looks so simple.
Like we can't mess it up. Anderson did it. We cannot mess this up.
I mean, Anderson looks a little iffy.
I know.
Like he was like mixing weird stuff. I don't know.
I feel like we're gonna need to like buy aprons eventually for these things.
Oh
like,
my god, this
personalized ones that say Fran and Nez.
The ingredients are, it's 5 eggs, cream. They didn't. He didn't
put how much?
No, he did put how much. Hold on.
I'm like, we didn't play this game.
He did put how much, but cream, he didn't specify what type of cream. I just got heavy whipping cream. They used a very specific sugar from like the UK. So I just bought baking sugar. And then I bought some unsweetened chocolate. There's a funny story behind this unsweetened chocolate. So Nez and I were just at the supermarket. There's unsweetened chocolate and then there's some semi-sweet, right?
Yeah.
I'm assuming it's the unsweetened because we're adding sugar, but I was like, I'm not sure.
So I was like, call Harrison, call Anderson.
So I text both of them. Anderson answers immediately. And Anderson's like, yeah, I'm up. And then I FaceTime him. And I'm like, Anderson.
It's midnight in the UK, you guys.
Anderson is like, oh, I don't know. And then I'm like, and then all of a sudden I just hear ruffling going.
He's like, 1 second.
And he just, you hear a door open and he just goes, Harrison. And Harrison's sleeping.
I'm like, no, Anderson, no.
I know, we're like, Anderson, no. And like, he's just like, Franny wants to know if she has to use unsweetened chocolate or not. And sorry for my horrible British accent. But he was just confused and Harrison was just like, what? Why? Like, why? Who needs to know this? It's midnight.
Anderson was like, Harrison, do you remember the video we did? And it's like, and he's trying to stay so quiet. He's like, the video we did with the mousse was the chocolate unsweetened. And then he's like, who wants to know? He's like, Franny.
He's like, what? So let's just get started. I think I remember.
So long story short, it's unsweetened.
So they use grams and milliliters. We don't use that here. We use like cups and not that. I remember in the video, they start off, I watched this video like 5 times because I was like, I can't mess this up.
Okay.
So Nez, let's get it. We have to fill this up with water.
Water?
Yeah, because then you have to put this in here like that and it boils so it doesn't burn the chocolate.
Okay. Let's do it. Do you boil the water first?
Well, you put the, I don't know, he didn't say.
Oh my god, this is just starting off just great, you guys. It looks dark. I don't like dark chocolate. It's unsweetened. It's 100% cacao. And literally no sugar, just tastes like bitter, like literally like we just picked that off the plant.
1 packet of this is 113.5 grams. We have to do 180.
So then, okay, we're gonna do some math, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh,
if this is 113, oh, you're just putting that whole thing in there, got it. If this is 113 divided by 2,
113 divided by 2.
Well, it wouldn't be even. So what's 112 divided by 2?
It would be like what? Wait, what?
Wait, what? 56. 56.
Wait, no, wait.
Let me do it in my head.
Go ahead. I don't know where you're at right now.
So like, that's
13.5.
Forget the 0.5. We're just gonna round it up. It's a 114.
And then what?
And then half of this is 56. And you need how much more?
180. That's fine. We'll just use half.
You need 180. Wait, I'm saying what's 180 minus 114? How much more do you need to fill that up?
Oh, okay. 66.
180 minus 14. Wait, how much was in the whole pack?
114.
66!
Yes.
So you just need that, which is 56 plus a little more. If someone can figure it out in the comments, put it down below. I don't know how much we just put in there.
Okay, so, oh, I didn't even turn the water on. I had one job, people.
Is this gonna melt?
No, it's glass.
It's a little hot. The egg separation.
Yes, you remember.
Yeah.
We need 2. Damn it.
What is the sugar mixed into? The whites or the yolks? Oh my gosh.
So we have to separate the eggs now. We have to mix the yolk and the sugar and the cream together. And then we have to add in the egg whites in here because we have to add these in slowly.
Hold on. What? Hello?
What's going on?
The egg yolks?
We mix stuff in with egg yolks and then the egg whites we pour in afterwards.
Okay.
So we can just put the egg whites in this.
Good luck. One by one. You do the first one.
Dude.
Okay.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, who is she? Oh my gosh.
Breaking this. Okay. You broke it!
That's what we have. We only have one extra, so we can't screw up.
What is the white stuff? Is that the baby? Is that the chick?
Like, this might be the best thing ever. You know?
I hope so. I don't get the separation thing. I'm confused. Ah, Franny.
Is there a chip in there?
There's a shell in here. Get it. It's not with your finger.
They're clean. I just washed them. What the? Where'd it go?
Dude, there's multiple pieces of eggshell in there.
Oh, I got something. Oh yeah, I got it. That's it. That's all I got. That's fine.
What is that?
That's just some brown stuff that was in the egg. Dude. Oh, imagine just swallowing that right now. It looks like a booger.
In?
Switch it over.
Ah, is it melting? It's melting. Play, monkey. Well,
we add the sugar and the cream.
You think?
75 grams of sugar.
How do we measure grams?
Oh no.
Hold on.
We're using that thing.
Hold on.
See how many grams are in a cup?
Are we just dumb for not knowing this?
Oh,
Like,
look.
is this something that everyone knows?
No, dude, there's no way.
So half a cup is 64.
So a little more than half a cup.
How much is, there has to be a calculator to give us exact. 2/3. You have 1/3, so just put 2 of those.
Is that how that works?
Pretty sure that's how that works.
I'm not good at math.
Really? 1/3 plus 1/3 is, I don't know, hold on. People must be roasting us in the comments right now. I promise we went to school and graduated with
something.
2/3. I'm not stupid.
Oh, 2/3. Okay.
I'm not like stupid or something.
So 2 of these, right?
And a cup. Wait, sorry.
What the hell did you just?
No, just 2/3. Don't listen to me.
So two of these.
Yeah. Don't listen to me.
Harrison, I hope you're proud of us.
I know he's probably watching like, no, it's not 2/3.
Okay, and then 200 milliliters of cream. Is this enough? So almost like just half of this.
Yeah, so half of that.
So it's almost
just
half.
eyeball it. For people who really aren't supposed to just like eyeball things, we're doing great out here.
That looks about right. Because that's 473. We have to do 200.
Girl, I can not tell where this is at. This looks like it's pretty high. Oh, it's where this is. Girl, that ain't half.
I think it's just a cup, honestly. Yeah, that looks about right.
Sure.
So what do we do? Have to whisk this now? Dude, they talk so fast in the video.
I don't know. Yeah, Harrison was like 2 teaspoons, 3 teaspoons. And then he's like, now mix this. And we were like, whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh, where's the corn one? I want the corn one.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's a corn.
Guys, this is gonna come out. I feel like this is actually not gonna be a fail.
No. Look, I feel so like professional. I'm like turning the bowl and
But it's
oh my goodness gracious. Really going for it. Where are you pouring that right now?
in here.
Oh my god!
We're doing it.
It looks not bad. It smells good. The red velvet cake was a disaster.
Yeah, that
Comment
was-
down below if you
Remember that.
remember that. It literally.
Okay, ready? Cheers. That was heinous.
So bad. He just like
Mix it together, yeah.
oh my god. Oh my gosh, you guys. It really looks like
So now he says we have to like slowly pour this in, like little by little, whisking it in.
And Anderson put the whole thing in.
He just like,
He poured the whole thing in.
so little by little.
Little by little, Fran. Oh my god, wait. That like, that hardened it hard. Hold on, Franny. I don't know what chemical reaction that just had.
Harrison was
but it made it so thick. That's why he said little by little, because otherwise you'd be like, oh my god.
Franny, switch.
Oh my god.
Really?
Yeah, it's like, it got really thick. It's hard because like the egg whites like mixed
separate.
together. See, like that.
Yeah.
It looks like, and there's supposed to be bubbles, and we did that. Look at the bubbles!
You can just do it like that, right? Ooh.
Okay.
We're getting somewhere. I don't
I
know.
feel like Harrison's gonna wake up in the morning and be like, that really happened? Did someone really come in my room and ask me about unsweetened chocolate? Oh my gosh, you guys. Someone can tell me what musical that's from, I will love you forever.
Apparently we have to let this sit for about an hour.
An hour?
1 hour later.
Alright guys, so we are back. It's been an hour. Literally Neza and I have been sitting on that couch
For an hour.
for an hour. I feel like you're supposed to leave it for longer.
They did it for an hour, no?
I know, but I feel like for it to be like moussey,
I don't know,
maybe
we can check. If it doesn't look or smell right, we can put it back in. Mousse is supposed to be like pudding, but like lighter. Like mousse here, it's supposed to be like mousse.
There's raw eggs in this.
Correct.
How do you not get sick?
I don't know.
Harrison?
I don't know.
We just,
Oh, it is like
it
mousse.
is moussey.
Oh my god,
Oh, it took a little.
maybe we're supposed to leave it
longer.
longer.
Dude, F it, whatever. Let's just try it.
Okay.
Ready? Set, go.
Oh
Pretty good.
my god! No, that actually is really good. Hold on. Wow, we did it!
Yeah, this is what's supposed to be like on the top.
Yeah, that's why I only emulating the top part. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna make this all the time at home now. It's like pudding right now. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's literally like pudding.
Oh my god, it's falling, it's falling, it's falling.
I'm so happy with that. This is probably the first time we've ever done something successful. Yeah, we recommend leaving these for way longer than what we did.
Guys, we made successful chocolate mousse. It was actually really good. Could you imagine if we tried making the other thing, the cauliflower?
That's where nope.
In their video, they do like fried cauliflower with like this sweet chili sauce, but it was that's like the next step.
That one seemed way more complicated because there's like teaspoons, tablespoons, and there's like there's frying of things.
Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below if you want to see us do another cooking video or want to see us follow something else or cook something else. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what other videos you'd like to see me do. Put those push notifications on so when I upload y'all know exactly what I do. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And this channel, I just dropped my new single Let Me Live.
Yes!
And my lyric video.
Yes!
So I'm gonna leave the link so y'all can go stream my new single down below as well. Go get your Franny pack. Leave that link down below. It's right here.
Get your Franny pack today.
I love you guys and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
Okay. I don't reach, I can't reach.
We always do that.